Okay, so this is supposed to be a 8010. So I've already opened this part of the packet. Here is the sealed box. I'm filming this just in case it is a fake. What? No, not the 8010. This is supposed to be the Engage. So I don't know what the full size of this knife is supposed to be, but I mean, really didn't expect something this small. I have to do some research, make sure this isn't any kind of a fake, but that doesn't feel good. I don't know. It's got the right symbol on it. It is not easily open. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some checking. I may have gotten taken. You ain't gonna do that. You ain't gonna do that. If you try hard enough, I guess you can do that. I don't know. We're gonna have to check it out. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.